Hello everyone, I am Passioknit Kelsie. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to this very passionate vlog. Right now, at the current moment, we are about to leave. Going to go and drop off all of these packages that I finished yesterday. Last night I got an order for these, which are the scrunchies that I made with the Premier Chanel yarn. I tested it out whenever we went to the Childish Gambino concert and I put them up for sale. So somebody bought 2 of them. I'm just gonna pack them up so that they can also make the trip with us to the post office. Since we are leaving the house, we should prepare a go bag of projects. I want to take some of these already used skeins of Juicy Couture yarn and finish them off because, I mean, look at it. I don't want to see it anymore like that. So I am just going to bring some ponytail holders and some of these skeins, which are already used, and I'm just gonna finish them off. So I know this will make 1 electric violet scrunchie, so I'm just gonna throw this in my bag. I'm also gonna bring this frothy fawn. I think that should make 3. I don't know if I've already made 1 or 2, so I'm just gonna put those in there. And I'm gonna bring this super greens. I think there's like 2 left in there. So yeah, let's go.
Oh my gosh.
Well, we are back. I didn't get to frothy fawn at all. I did get to super greens. I made 1 finished super green scrunchie and I'm gonna put that in my basket for later. I started on the second one and it's like, I want to say 70% done or something like that. I just need to do the ruffles from here to here, so that's not bad at all. And I also finished off the skein of Electric Violet, but it lied to me and I couldn't finish the whole scrunchie, so that sucks. I changed my shirt because my other shirt was suffocating my armpits. You know. If you know, you know. Now, I don't know. Hello, it's tomorrow. Last night I didn't do much of anything. Well, okay. I started a mesh bag and I didn't film because I didn't feel like it. But here's where we're at. It's in the color Psychedelic. It's color pooling, which I don't love. I wish it was a lot more mixed together, but oh well. This is the first one I've ever made in Psychedelic. I was excited to do it because I thought it would look so fun. But yeah, I would prefer if it was all mixed up instead of whatever is going on here. But anyway, we are leaving the house. We have some shopping to do. A new video game came out today, so we are gonna go get that. And we're gonna probably have some food while we're out because we have no food in our fridge. Guys, I've convinced Caesar to take me to the boba shop.
They're whining.
Chocolate taiyaki, barbecue chicken dumplings.
You're matching the wall.
I got no chocolate. And it's delicious. Oh! Explosive.
Good?
I like that.
Okay, nice.
Yeah, that's good.
What'd you get? Went to Ulta, yay!
Hey, so I finished our custom order mesh bag in the color Psychedelic, and I think it looks great. I decided to go with a brown tag on this one. I think it looks good. I took a picture of it already, and I'm going to pack it up and send it off. And this is an order for Stephanie. It's going all the way to Australia. We've got the bag, and we also need 1 blue crush scrunchie, which I've got right here, and 1 licorice scrunchie, which is this one right here. I'm gonna put all these together in a little bag. It's right here. I have just been crocheting scrunchies. Besides this bag, I've just been crocheting scrunchies like over and over again for the past 2 days, really. I'm not feeling my bestest today, but I am starting work on my next custom order for the mesh market bags, and this one is put in for the hot green color, so that's gonna be fun. I haven't made a solid color one in a while. The last solid one I made was navy blue or marine blue, I think is what it's called. But yeah, I'm gonna work on this all night tonight. Probably won't finish it, but I'm gonna be working on this and watching Caesar play games. Hey, today we're going a few places. I got packages, and then we're gonna go get some food, so. Yeah, that does look
A little bit of juice here and there never kills nobody.
Hello, hello. Okay, so the beginning of this vlog was like a little crazy. It was a lot of clips that I just had, but don't worry. I am now here and ready to work. I started this and I was making a vlog and I was filming stuff, but then I like kind of forgot to film stuff, and then I started cleaning my room, my craft room, this room, and I kind of realized that that video itself was too long to just put in the middle of a vlog. So I've already uploaded that. That was Monday's video. You should go watch it. Super fun, super cleany, organizy, and you also get an office tour. So yeah, anyway, I took all of that footage out and put it in its own video, and now we're just back to regular vlog stuff. Okay, we've done all of the going out to eat. We went to like multiple restaurants in the beginning of this, but that's because it was filmed over just multiple different days. And we're gonna finish up everything here now. I want to take this day and I just want to sit here, do my regular vlog stuff in my room, make orders, pack orders, and get them shipped out. So that's what we're doing. I'm currently finishing up this order that we have. This is a custom order market bag in the color hot green. Just weaved in my ends, doing the final touches, and now it just needs a little logo tag and it'll be ready to go. But I also need to take a picture of it for my website. I'm thinking that a brown tag will go good with the hot green. Yeah. Done. Beauty. This bag goes all by itself and it is going to Lindsay. I'm trying to take a picture of every bag in every color so that people can actually see what they look like when they're buying them. I say we're making pretty good progress with that. I mean, there's like a lot of color options, but all the orders that I'm getting have been different colors, so I'm just taking pictures as I go. Ta-da! Next we have an order for Rose, and I have all of the scrunchies already made, so we're just gonna pack this up. It is an order for 4 safety yellow scrunchies and 2, oh, no, wrong. I thought we had them done, but these are not sparkly and they ordered sparkly ones. The safety yellow ones are good to go, but we need to make 2 Free Love and sparkles, not regular. Back in the basket they go. Okay. Okay, so the pink sparklies are made now, going together with our 4 in safety yellow. Order for Rose. There we go. The next order is for Maria. It is 1 scrunchie in the color Free Love, which we have right here, not sparkly. And then we have 1 in the color Pastel Lilac. So let's make. There we go, that's done. So let's bag these up. Done. The next order that we need to make is for Margaret, and that is 3 velvet scrunchies in the color Angel. Pulled this out, got it right here. I don't have any made in my basket, so let's make all 3. All right, done. 3 Angel scrunchies to be packed and sent to Margaret. Done. Next order we're gonna do is for Kay. It is 1 velvet scrunchie in the color Regal Blue, which I have right here. And we need one scrunchie in the color Plonk, which I don't have, but I actually do have. So let's make one of these. Okay, mission complete. We have one Plonk and one Regal Blue, so let's pack these up for Kay. Okay guys, funnily enough, the next order is exactly the same thing. One Regal Blue scrunchie and one Plonk. So let me make another Plonk real quick and we'll pack this one up for Jessica. Done and done. Next up we have an order for Xiomara, and that contains 2 scrunchies in the Frothy Fawn color, which I have right here, 2 of them. And then we need to make 2 scrunchies in the color Soft Glow, which is this really nice light pink here. 2 of these babies. Okay, done. I have 2 Frothy Fawn and 2 Soft Glow, so I want to pack these up for Xiomara. Done. Okay, for our next order, we need to make 2 scrunchies. One of them is Biscay Bay in the sparkly color, and the other one is Blue Crush. Very similar. A little bit darker, plus sparkles, and Blue Crush. There we go. One of each. This is my first time using the Biscay Bay color, the sparkly one, and I gotta say, I'm not liking it very much. It's a little stiff. I don't know if it's like just this certain skein or what. Do I have more of them? Actually, I do have more. This one also feels not very soft, but they're the same lot, so that wouldn't really be surprising. It's working up fine. It's just not as soft as the other yarns, you know. Okay, all done. Both of these are going to Lily. Done. Now guys, it is 7:45. I'm going to cut off my scrunchie making for the night. I'm going to put on some sweatpants, make some dinner, and move to sit on my couch. But I will continue to crochet, of course, because of course. So I am going to be making the next custom order mesh market bag on the list, and that one is in the color Earth Ombre, which I have right here. I think the Earth Ombre is gonna make a really fun and cute mesh market bag, so I'm gonna get started on that. We picked up some Take and Bake Papa Murphy's earlier, so I'm gonna stick that in the oven and off we go. Caesar got a stuffed chicken bacon ranch pizza. Like the whole pizza is stuffed, not just the stuffed crust, you know what I'm saying? It looks massive. Here is my pizza, which is pineapple, aka much better than whatever that is over there. I haven't had Papa Murphy's in a long time, so I wanted to try it out. And Caesar has never had Papa Murphy's, so. Oh my god. Not for you.
This is definitely 100% better than Domino's. I would say this is like a 5 out of 10 pizza.
It's good pizza. We've reached the point in our Batman movie journey where we're watching, The Dark Knight Rises. All right, we finished watching Batman. I finished this bag, looking good. I think it turned out great with the color choice. All it needs is a tag and it'll be completely finished. I can't pack the order yet because they actually ordered some scrunchies with it, so we need to make those. But not tonight because it is late. I think we did good today, I would say. We actually got the order number down under 30, which is good. It's kind of been like sitting in the 30s, got up to the 40s over my birthday weekend, and I've been picking away at it, and then I got some new orders. So it's just kind of rotating in and out around the 30 range. But I'm gonna try to get that down. Hello. I'm going to finish off this bag with a label. Honestly, brown or gray could go with this. Gray might even be better because like this is very cool toned and the brown is kind of a warm tone. Let me look. Yeah, I think the gray might be better. Like, yes, this is brown, but this is a very cool tone brown and this is a very warm tone brown. So I think that the gray just like meshes better, you know? There we go. All right, so it's finished, but it's not finished because this was ordered along with 4 scrunchies, which unfortunately I don't have any of them made. So we need to do 1 in the color lilac. We need to do 1 in electric violet, but I do have this guy, which is like mostly done. So I'm just gonna finish it up. And then we need 1 in sparkly Biscay Bay and 1 in sparkly licorice. And I'm hoping that that will finish off the skein here. So I'm gonna start making those, but also we are leaving shortly to go to the gym. And I'm also gonna drop off all of these packages on the way there. So. Okay, I only finished the one. We're going to the gym, so I'm gonna bring this to work on in the car. I think I've already made 1 of these, so I think it'll make like 3 more scrunchies.
I think I'm gonna aim to try to do 50.
Oh, baby girl. Yeah. Oh, I can't really explain it.
We're home from the gym and the post office, and we also stopped at a food truck on the way home and got some tacos. Different food truck than the one we stopped at in a different vlog, and it was really good. We got horchata and it was delicious. We got nachos and those were really good, and then Caesar got a steak burrito and that was really good. I got a shrimp taco and I only ordered 1 because I was like, I don't know about it, because it had mango on it, which was really interesting. I ate like half of the taco and then I was like, I don't think I vibe with the mango and the shrimp together. So yeah, but I didn't want to waste, so I did open up the taco and use a fork and eat out the rest of the shrimp because I'm just like that. But yeah, everything else was delicious. And yeah, that's where I'm gonna call it today. We've got other things to do. This is the end of our vlog. I hope that you enjoyed it. I'm sorry it was a little scattered at the beginning, but we came together at the end and we made and packed quite a few orders. So good job. Thanks for being here. I appreciate it. If you like this, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want more content from me in the future. Go watch another one of my videos right now, please. And that's all I have for you. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.